Are you focusing on the future? Is information propelling your business forward? The way we communicate, collaborate, and create is evolving. It's vital to harness information and transform it into an asset that drives business outcomes and agile work experiences. At Ricoh, we believe that by converting information into actionable insights and freeing people to focus on creating value, we can unlock the potential in every business. That's why we bring people and technology together to simplify complexity, clarify direction, tackle obstacles, embrace diversity, and help you uncover opportunity so you can focus on forward. Let's move forward together.